Believe me, I'm not being a wise guy. You might think that I don't know what I'm talking about when I say vitamin D has no effect on multiple sclerosis whatsoever. But I know it doesn't suppress the MS attack. It doesn't prevent future disability or anything else. So don't listen to anyone when they recommend to take vitamin D for multiple sclerosis. The science that they are relying on is flawed. Old information. It began in 1960, believe it? 62 years ago. It seems like people just are starting to catch on now. When I made the discovery slowly over time, it didn't happen overnight, but I caught on eventually, and it wasn't very long after until I really started to feel really good benefits. A change that is unmistakable. Hey, it's Steve. So, why is it bad information? Again, as is the case so often in science, it was based on studies done in lab animals. Science is sometimes cruel to these animals. If you set out with a hypothesis, thinking, okay, this is what I'm making, how far are you willing to take it to get the results you want? Super psychological doses can do exactly that. A large amount of vitamin D does offer those animals protection, but only if serum calcium levels are raised far above normal. It is very harmful to the body. And I bet no one has ever told you that, have they? The response was accompanied by hypercalcemia, which itself can suppress EAE in mice. If you still believe the power in vitamin D, to back it up, dramatically low vitamin D levels can prevent EAE all by itself, which is a finding opposite to the original hypothesis. So, it's not vitamin D. Amazon just asked me just this morning, how do you know this? And have they tried it before? I told him, I've been using my UVB lamp religiously every other day since I bought it in 2018. I've said it before and I will say it a million times. The effects start out slow, but UVB might be the only thing that can stop the immune system attacking. And that's what we want, really. Who cares about vitamin D? We do need just a little, but we don't need all that much. If you're like me, I know your ultimate goal. We want to stop MS and get back what it has taken from us. And the UVB lamp, in combination with the other 4 essential elements I've discovered, can do exactly that. I love talking to you guys and answering your questions. Leave me a comment with a question so I can talk to you. If you don't say anything, how will I know what you're thinking? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can never miss a video. Until the next one.